stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, the length of 24 inches. A depth of 18 inches. And a height of 34.25 inches tall. Thickness of the table, we have 2 inches. And the measurements for the bottom carriage, we have 19.5 inches in length, 10 inches in depth, 1.5 inches in thickness. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to height. And located on the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.